This is a 2012 Audi A5 that I bought for the third car to flip up to a Lamborghini series. And today we're gonna be tearing it down and seeing if we can get it to start. Now the bonus about this car is you're probably wondering, why would I buy a salvage car to flip? Well, this car is not salvage. This car actually has a clean title. I think that we can make a pretty good profit on it if the parts don't get so expensive. Now I think that we figured out what happened to this Audi. And if you look at right here, whoever owned this before hit a deer. Let's get into tearing this thing down. Yep, definitely hit a deer. Look at that.
Look at that, it was a giant squirrel.
Alrighty guys, so this is how much plastic stuff got absolutely destroyed in this accident. The good thing is that it does not look like that any of the frame rails got bent. Intercooler looks like it's still in good shape. Obviously the condenser, radiator are completely gone. We did see the oil filter did get smashed up pretty good in the oil pressure switch, so we're gonna have to replace this oil pressure switch. The oil dipstick tube, that Audi does not supply you with the oil dipstick. How much oil is in this motor before we start it? Because if we make the motor go kaboomy, that's not gonna be good. But you see, for $15 you can order an oil dipstick off from Amazon. So I'm gonna leave a link to this down below so that if you guys have an Audi and you wanna just simply check your oil, I'll leave a link so you can find these. So now it's time for the moment of truth to see if this thing will start. So we got the jump box hooked up to the Marina battery back here. Or something, I don't know, that's a massive battery, but let's see if this thing will start. I mean, fingers crossed. All right, so let's see if this thing will start. I'm just getting a click. I'm pretty sure that the pyro fuse is blown in this. All we're getting is just a click. You see, if we can't get the car started, then this could be a total loss. So Beeline decided to show up. We checked the pyro fuse, he checked the continuity. Come to find out that pyro fuse is bad in the cars. I don't know if you can hear that. And I knew it was gonna be the problem. So I ordered another pyro fuse off from Amazon. So let's install the new pyro fuse and see if we can get this thing to start. So I started installing the new pyro fuse, which is pretty simple really. It's just these two 13mm bolts in this small little clip. And then I moved on to the front to install this cam sensor magneto thingy that we realized was broke to make sure that we wouldn't throw off timing. So we got the battery hook up. Now it's time for the moment of truth to see if this thing's gonna start. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Please start. I started!
Yes!
Yes!
Yes! There's sucking air, that's alright.
She's running a little rough, but yes, it started. It's running a little rough because we have no air box, but it starts. Good sign.
Good birthday.
Now that we know that the Audi's gonna start, we need to finish the Tesla. Everything on this car needs to be complete because I'm running out of room in here. So let's hop back on the Tesla. Oh my goodness, it is looking so good. I'm so excited. Jose, if you're watching this, you're awesome. Thanks for the help on the suggestions on the bumper, but check this out. It is looking sick. Now we can remove the bumper and insert all the grills and then finish putting in the taillight. Alrighty, since we got all the sensors hooked up and everything, now it's time for the moment of truth to see if the parking assist is actually gonna work. I did install the right sensors, but let's see what's gonna happen. Unfortunately, the parking assist is still unavailable. Let's make sure that the sensors are working. You can go into the service menu, which you just click on this, and then you type in service, driver assist, sensors. So the car is showing that all the sensors are working, but for some reason the radar is not detecting. Any of you know what could be going on with this? Please leave in the comments below, because I'm kind of lost. I'm not really sure. It might be something that Tesla has to reset. But for now, let's move on. Well, since we can't figure out the sensors, I'm gonna start installing this whole front area, and I got a little helper that wants to help. So we're gonna start installing the front area. So we got the trunk installed, the front installed, but this piece was supposed to come with all the plastic pieces around here. Unfortunately, they didn't come, so I'm gonna have to order those, but for now, she's looking good. High five.
Yes.
Thanks for the help. We still gotta do the taillight though.
Yes.
All right, let's do the taillight. All right, guys, so we're gonna be hooking up. I got a new used light here in this, and Cora's gonna be helping me do it. So I'm gonna teach her a couple little tricks here. See, don't teach everybody this, but you see how I got a piece of tape right there? I put a piece of tape on there so that it holds these little nuts in here so that they don't fall into the car.
Okay.
A little useful trick.
Mm-hmm.
You ready to hook up these lights?
Yes.
Alrighty. Everything is looking absolutely epic. Unfortunately, I think I'm gonna end the video because I'm out of parts. And in the next video, I'm gonna be doing a full cost breakdown of this. I hope I didn't overspend on it, but probably did. Great learning experience. As always, you're awesome. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see her in more videos, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more of the Audi build in the Tesla, which should be done soon, be sure to hit the notification button. This video is over, and peace. Do you want to learn more about the cars?
Yes.
You did awesome.
I know.